Hey everybody, Dan Burrows with Stinger Chemical. We're in the Hive, our podcast studio, and I wanted to just do a quick kind of recap of what we did this week out in our training center. If you're watching this right now, obviously you're on YouTube. If you're not watching it and you're listening to it on Spotify or Apple Music, thank you for tuning in. If you're listening to us, please make sure that you go to YouTube, subscribe to our channel, follow the link because you can also watch us as well as listen to us. We're doing a lot of different videos and a lot of different updates. But this week we finished our classes, which we did live, if you've tuned into that, and also which are also on our YouTube channel as well, recorded and accessible anytime by anyone, public, free. We finished a kind of a marathon week. We introduced the Dr. ColorChip Stinger Kit, chip repair kit. That was exciting, that's new. We did our sanding class, we did our buffing class, and our ceramic class. And we did all four of those in one day in both English and Spanish. Following that, we had Oscar Hernandez doing his business classes, which are very, very popular and are really designed and geared to make you more money. That's the whole goal. We want to help you make more money. Obviously, we make a ton of stuff and you have to use it to get the job done. But if we can help you to make more money, that's important. So take a look at some of the stuff we're doing. Tune in, subscribe to the channel. If you're tuning in on audio, check out YouTube and check out the visual. So thank you for listening, and I hope you continue to enjoy what we're doing. If you have any comments, you can always chime in during the live broadcast. You can always email us at training@stingerchemicals.com. We want you to be involved. We want you watching our videos. We want you listening to us. So thank you for tuning in. I appreciate it. Way more to come in the future.